Electrical and Electronic Engineering from University of Nottingham in 2013, focusing on terahertz CMOS devices. His key skills include RF and microwave systems, CMOS devices, simulation software, and PCB design. He has taught numerous undergraduate and postgraduate courses and supervised PhD, master's, and undergraduate students. His research has focused on antennas, microwave components, photodiode, biosensor, and other areas. He has published extensively in journals and conferences. Recently, Dr. Azizah has developed a passion for artificial intelligence and has several ongoing AI projects. Dr. Azizah has received several awards for his research and served as editor for books and journals. He has provided consulting services and led industry training on topics such as IPC standards, microwave engineering, Cisco certification, and more. He holds membership with key professional organizations like IEEE and IET. Overall, Dr. Azizah has a strong track record in RF and microwave research, teaching, supervision, consulting, and professional service. His recent interest in AI reflects his dedication to expanding his knowledge and pursuing new integration research of 5G, IoT, and AI, which is related with our topics today. Okay, without a further delay, I would like to welcome Dr. Azizah. Okay, Dr. Azizah, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Masters Linda. I hope all of you can hear me.
Loud and clear.
Yes.
All right.
Crystal
Thank you
clear.
very much. Okay, I will share my slide regarding this webinar. Okay, everybody can see my slide?
Boleh.
Okay, thank you. So I will try to explain in English and also maybe some mix in Malay. Okay, for today I will talk about AI-driven academic writing, enhancing efficiency and quality. With the latest development in AI technology, academic writing become more accessibility and efficient, and you can unlock the advantage using the AI to elevate your research and writing skill. Okay, and my name is Muhammad Azli Shah Osman, and currently working as a senior lecturer in Faculty of Electronics and Computer Engineering at Universiti Teknikal Malaysia Melaka. With an AI, academic writing is evolving to be faster, more efficient, and higher in quality than ever before. So let's explore the exciting possibilities together. So with an AI, if you can go into the certain website such as Science Direct, Scopus, you can see the recent trend in academic writing is increasing very fast, very fast from the previous years. This is because of the AI.
Sorry, Dr. Azizah, boleh view slideshow?
Slideshow.
Tak nampak full screen.
Ada tak?
Okay. Betul.
Okay. Sorry, technical. So as I mentioned before, if you are looking at the Scopus and also you're looking at the Science Direct and also Web of Science, you can see the publication papers. Papers have been published. Is very increasing very fast. This is because of the AI actually. The AI has been in our life for very long, but previously, whereby we have text-to-text AI, so you can create more papers based on using this kind of AI. So I will explain in this webinar how you can create an academic writing more faster and more quality, and also more quantity. For those who are not in the background of academic, you can also use this AI to enhance your productivity in your work and your living, such as you can increase productivity in terms of replying emails or emails for marketing, search engine optimization. You can use all this kind of AI to increase your productivity and increase your monies into your organization, into your company. Okay. So before we go deep into the academic writing using the AI, we need to understand what is AI actually. Okay, AI is where they are a set of brain based on uh, whereby the AI itself can adapt, can reason, and give a decision making, can increase the accuracy and perform high level computation and solve problem complex. So with AI, we can do anything. Okay. So as mentioned previously, AI were a set of program that can sense, reasons, act, and adapt. Inside the AI itself is where we call it machine learning and also deep learning. In machine learning, there is a set of algorithm that was performed to improve and to expose to more data over time. This is where the AI engineers, the algorithm engineers, they are trying to improve every day to improve their algorithm so that they can use to for the AI to be learned and more set of data. Inside the subset of the machine learning, they have a deep learning, where deep learning is multi-layered neural network that have a vast amount of data. So when you input all your data, eventually the computers will learn and learn a lot of the data that you key in inside them. So once they are learned, they come into some consciousness. This is what the deep learning is about. Okay. At this stage of AI, we separate into three stages: ANI, AGI, and ASI, whereby the ANI is the first stage from 1980s until still now. And then the machine learning itself, starting from early 90s or late 90s until now. And also in the future, where the machine have consciousness, where machine have their feeling, where the machine have sadness, machine have their ego, and the machine have their like happy hour. They can have all that kind of emotion in the future. But currently, we are in the second stage where all we have is in a machine learning. As I mentioned before, for the machine learning to process, we need to have some input, and also we have an engineers to do some features extraction and then do the algorithm classification, and then you can come out with some output. For the deep learning, whereby you just the computers or the brain just learn from the input and do some features extraction and classification inside their brain, and then give some output. Okay. Such as if you are using the chat GPT, you give some input, and then the brain itself will try to find out what the classification work do you want to do, and then they give some output. That is text to text. If you're using some of AI tools for graphics, maybe Midjourney, Leonardo.ai, or something else, you just put the input in the text and it convert into the image. This is what the process of learning based on machine learning and deep learning in the AI, whereby you got the input, you process, and you give some output, whether it's text to text or text to image. Or even now we have text to audio, text to video also. Okay, in the machine learning, we have several process that the brain itself will be learned, where the artificial will learn. We have machine learning, neural networks, robotics, expert system, fuzzy logic, and NLP, natural language processing. Okay. This is some of possibilities of the application that can be used in the using the artificial intelligence. Maybe you're using for virtual personal assistant, natural language processing, deep learning, simulation modeling, machine translation, social network analysis, robotic, machine learning, IoTs, Internet of Things, image analytics, graph analytics, audio analytics, and also visualization. Okay. If you have any question, you can interrupt me and ask me if you don't understand. Okay. So since we are focusing on academic writing, so there is part of AI whereby it's a generative AI. It generate. Okay. Generative AI is a type of AI that use machine learning algorithms to create new and original content like image, video, text, and audio, as I mentioned before, whereby they have some forming database, such as ChatGPT have their own database using the OpenAI company, and Cloud AI, they has their own company, Anthropics, they have their own database, whereby in this database, they have a neural network consisting of various information or media files like image, text, data, sound, etc. So they can, based on to form the artificial intelligence. The users in the second stage just input the prompt, the special prompt, the user provide, then the AI with a description or sample of desired content. So you just prompt it, let's say if you want in the academic writing, let's say you want, based on this, please find an introduction for me. Okay. If you are, let's say you are replying some email, you can type like, reply this email mentioning that I am sorry because of what. Okay. And then they automatically will generate the content that you want. And if the user is a neural network, to generate new examples that are similar to the ones it has been trained from. Okay. This process input and then go into the database, they will process and then they generate whether it's a picture, audio, video, or text. Okay. So the famous one that generative AI had been used from last end of November until now is a ChatGPT. ChatGPT, owned by OpenAI, is a generative pre-trained transformer, GPT. It means that this AI has been trained 100 millions of data inside their database, inside their brain. Okay, large scale of training, contextual understanding, multiple users cases. They have put all the cases inside to train this ChatGPT, and you can customize what do you want to use in the ChatGPT. If you, let's say you want to create your AI chatbot, you can use the API key and to create your own chatbot, or you want to create your own apps, more like chat PDF. You just use API keys from the ChatGPT and put inside your apps, and then you can use it for your chat PDF, your apps. And also it's API based deployment, so you can use it as a free. For your information, ChatGPT have two versions, the free version and also the paid version. For the free version, you can use it how many, how large data you want to use it, but based on the limitation, they have their limitation whereby the data set from the ChatGPT itself learned is up to until 2021. So if you're asking about who's the new Prime Minister of UK and also new Prime Minister of Malaysia, maybe the ChatGPT cannot answer that, but we can use it. We will try to give a sample using the ChatGPT after this. There are some another tools that can be used as a rival for ChatGPT as a cloud tool, whereby it's free right now, and token limit is 100,000. This 100,000 is equivalent to 75,000 words. If you are using the ChatGPT 4, it's roughly around 6,000 words only. But if you are using the free version, ChatGPT 3.5, is token is roughly around 9,000 words. And if you are using that, there's no limit. And also another one is Microsoft Bing Chat. So you can use also. The token limit is unknown. Both Bard is from the Google and Bing is from the Microsoft. The web browsing for a ChatGPT 3.5, they don't have any web browsing plugins. Using ChatGPT 4, yes, you can use it with a plugin. Cloud 2 don't have. WebBud and Google Bing, you are using the internet. Summarizing long content, ChatGPT is the best. Cloud, the second one. The Bard and Bing is not too good for the summarizing the long content. Image recognition 3.5 cannot do the image. ChatGPT 4 or paid version, yes, you can use. Cloud 2, no, you cannot use it for the image recognition. But and also Bing, you can use it, but not very accurate. Data analysis 3.5 is good. ChatGPT 4 is the best, whereby you have a plugin called Data Interpreter. I will show you in the video using Data Interpreter. How can you, from the raw data, you can create a graph and also some explanation from the graph. And also for the cloud tool, the analysis, you can input several file into the cloud tool and then you can analyze. Also in the BAT, you can do the analysis, copy and paste. In terms of the creativity, ChatGPT 4 is the best. The second one is the free version. Cloud 2, BAT is the worst. For coding, if not mistaken, the Cloud 2 and also ChatGPT 4 is the best at the moment. The accuracy, based ChatGPT 4 and Cloud 2 is tied. And availability, all of these generative AI can be used in Malaysia at now. For Cloud 2 also you can use in Malaysia. So how can we relate this ChatGPT or AI in academic writing? Okay, you have known about ChatGPT, you have known about Cloud 2, you can have known about Google Bard, you have known about Microsoft Bing. So how can you use all these tools and you relate in academic writing? Okay, so introduction to AI-driven academic writing, the definition and scope, we can discover what AI-driven academic writing means and in endless possibilities for students, researchers, and institutions. So you can use endless possibilities using these AI tools to have a writing for your academic writing, whether you are writing a paper, you are writing for your dissertation, or you are writing for your thesis itself. But bear in mind, some of AI, they have a lot of hallucination, something like that lah, hallucinasi. Okay, whereby if you ask ChatGPT 3.5 about their references, they will give their own references. So if you check, this kind of references is not actually in the real world. They hallucinate. Okay, but you can use it. Maybe you can train your AI, or maybe you can use the cloud tool, whereby the cloud tool, the data set is up to 2023. You can use based on your references to do some literature review, or what kind of things do you want to do with the cloud tool in the academic writing. Based on the benefits, you can explore how AI-assisted writing can boost efficiency and enhance the quality of your research and writing, saving your time and effort. And AI tools and platform explore the most popular AI-powered tools and platform in academia that can assist you with your research and writing needs. If you can see improving research efficiency with AI, whereby you can use it for powered search engine. I will show you a video if you are doing the literature review. So this kind of AI tools, you can use it to do your literature review papers or your thesis for literature review, whereby they have some graphics. They connected all the papers, so you can use it. Okay. Citation and referencing, also you can use some of the tools that are good in the citation and referencings, and also plagiarism detection. AI also have their own plagiarism detection, whereby they have plagiarism detection plus AI uh, GPT detection. If some of your students are using fully AI without any input from him or herself, maybe the AI tools can detect this paper is 100% from the AI. Okay. Enhancing writing clarity and coherence. Using the AI tools, especially using the text to text, you can improve your grammar and style checkers. AI powered grammar and style checkers can assist you improving the clarity of your writing, ensuring proper sentence structure and word placement. So if your student actually is not very good in writing, and sometimes they send you like some writing document, maybe in very in good terms, in a good writing. So 100% probably they are using an AI to help them to write this kind of experiment uh, or a report. Okay, so you can know. Language enhancement. Non-native English speakers can leverage AI-based language enhancement tools to adjust the nuisance of language and produce high-quality academic writing. And proofreading and editing. AI-powered proofreading and editing tools can help avoid grammatical, punctuation, and spelling errors, automatically correcting them to improve the quality of your work. So AI also can help you to enhance your language if you are not a native English, and also can help you to proofread and edit your grammar, spelling errors, and etc. AI-driven data analysis and visualization. So AI also can be used to analyze your data and visualize it. So they will try to data cleaning and pre-processing. AI tools can help clean up, pre-process, and prepare data, making your analysis more efficient. Data analysis interpretation. So AI also can leverage using their algorithm to analyze and interpret what they want you to what they want to analyze it. So they can interpret, let's say if you have some raw data in CSV or Excel data, so you put inside their AI tools such as raw graph or using the code interpreter, they can eventually, based on their analysis and algorithm, they can interpret that, and they can create a graph and chart using their algorithm. Okay, this is what AI-driven data analysis and visualization. I will give you some example what AI tools can be used in using this data analysis and visualization. AI also generated a content and ethical consideration, understanding AI generated content, so they can learn about application of AI in academic writing and how to generate content. You can ask the AI to generate content, such as, let's say you have a topic to present to your supervisors, or you want to present to your colleague, let's say about photovoltaic solar cell. So you can ask the AI to generate the content, and then you can ask the AI to create a beautiful presentation in a second. Okay, this is type of AI you can use for your daily life. Ethical consideration, explore the ethical issues concerned with using AI in the research and writing, and the ways to avoid bias in AI generated content. So this kind of ethical consideration you must know and you must learn, because you cannot use 100% AI into your papers, 100% AI into your dissertation, or 100% AI for using for your thesis actually. Okay, but you can create that content and you need to recheck because of the AI hallucination. Okay, some things you need to rewords or rephrase their contents for the AI. Transparency and unbiased. Discover how to ensure transparency, access reliability, and avoid unintentionally bias in their academic work when using AI tools. So you must have a transparency and not bias 100% based on using the AI tools. AI tools is a tools to help you to do your academic writing, but still you need to check, recheck again. AI also can use to do automated summarization and abstract writing. I will show you some of the AI tools. It's very good for summarization and abstract. You can summarize a technique. AI-based summarization technologies can assist in considering lengthy research papers and documents. If you have a long document, such as a review paper, whereby we have sometimes up to 50 pages, you can upload your PDF version, and then you can ask the AI, you can ask the chat PDF, such as example, what is the summary for this whole 50 papers? Okay, what is the technique they are using? What is the method they are using? Same also to the people who are not in academic writing. You can upload all kind of documents, such as you have an housing loan agreement, or you have a financing car loan agreement. You want to understand. So you just get the PDF version and upload into chat PDF. You can ask, okay, how many years I can use, I have attended how many years, and how many, what is the total if I'm having a loan of 400,000, how much do I need to pay to the bank after certain years? So you can ask based on the AI itself. Automating abstract writing. So AI power tool can assist summarizing key points, proofreading, and auto-generate abstract. I will show you in one of the tools that can summarize and also can create the abstract based on a paper. Okay. Balance and accuracy. Learn about the methods of balancing accuracy and conciseness when using AI-powered technology for abstract writing. Okay. AI-driven recommendation system for references and citation. AI also can give some recommendation on your reference and citation. Based on their tools, AI-powered recommendation engine can discover useful reference resources for your research, simplifying research and referencing. Okay. Citation and referencing management. AI-assisted citation referencing management system can organize your citation list and produce accurate in-text citation and references. Some of the AI tools, such as Rabbit Research, you can use it for citation and referencing management. It's very good. Okay. Also, you can use lip maps for the citation. I will show you the video how to use it. Reliability of AI-generated references. Evaluate the reliability of AI-generated references and examine the methods to ensure the credibility and quality of your references. And then we look at future trends and challenge in AI-driven academic writing. Since we have an AI is in emerging trends, they are discover the potential trends and innovation for AI-driven academic writing in the future. So in the future, more of AI tools can be used for the academic writing. So there is no such thing as I need to write a paper, but I don't have idea. You can use the AI tools to get some ideas. I don't have enough idea to do my thesis. What should I do? So you can ask your AI tools to give some ideas to use it. So this is the tools in this kind of years you need to master and to save your time to do your papers, dissertation, and also your master's or PhD thesis. Challenges and limitation. Explore the challenge and limitation of AI in academic research and writing, including reliability, bias, and ethical issues. Some of the challenges and limitation in writing, academic writing or research using the AI is because of their limitation of data set that have been learned, such as ChatGPT, their data set up to 2021. For the cloud 2 AI, Anthropics up to 2023 data also, but in early 2033. Okay, so they have some limitation. By you using the BART and also the Google Bing, although they have the internet capabilities, but they don't have abilities to analysis the data. If you have a raw data, you want to ask Bing or BART to do analysis, they don't have the capabilities yet, but maybe in the future. Okay. Adapting to evolving landscape, learn how to adapt to the emerging landscape of AI in academia and prepare yourself for the future of writing. So since this kind of technologies is evolving, you need to adapt. Whether you like it or not, you must adapt this kind of technology. AI technology will be evolved until I don't know when, until maybe until Kiamat itself. If you see how the Terminator film, whereby they have their own AI have been learned and they have their consciousness, they have their feelings. So I think in the future we have that kind of AI whereby they have their own feelings. Okay, so this kind of evolving landscape we must adapt. Okay. In last March 2023, IBM India lay off around 7,000 of people because of AI. They're using their AI to their production, to their to replace their secretaries, to replace their admin. So this kind of thing you need to prepare because of AI evolving landscape. Okay, this is some of main prompts for academic writing you can use for in your ChatGPT. Let's say you want to develop a research question for academic papers on what topic, ensure it is clear, focused, and in line and objective of the study. Create outline for academic essay, write literature review, analyze, interpret the research finding from your studies, compile a reference list of following specific citation such APA, MLA, or Chicago. So I will share to you this some of the prompt for academic writing you can use. But right now, I will show you how to use effectively using the ChatGPT and also Cloud AI to do your academic writing. Okay, from the Google itself, Can you see my browser?
Boleh.
Yes.
Boleh. Oh, all right. So you can open your ChatGPT. Okay, this is the OpenAI ChatGPT. I've been logged into the ChatGPT previously. So this is the environment of ChatGPT. Okay, most of you have using it. So maybe some of you have never been used it. Maybe some in industries are not being exposed to the what is ChatGPT before. So this is ChatGPT. We have the free version where it's a fast model and everyday tasks, and you have the GPT model 4 for the paid version. So in this paid version, you have code interpreter and also a plugin. Okay. So let's say you want to reply an email from your friend. Okay. So you can ask the ChatGPT to help you to write an email. Okay, write an email. Yeah. Reply an email to, let's say, from your friend Zach from Qualcomm. From Academy mentioned that the process of MOU is QWA take more times. Like mentioned that the process of MOU take more time. You are sorry to keep QWA waiting. Okay, this is some of prompt you can use to reply an email. So in a second, you can get a response from ChatGPT. Okay, dear Zach, I hope this email finds you well. I want to provide you with an update regarding MOU process with Qualcomm. Wireless Academy. Firstly, I would like to extend my sincerest apologies for any delay that have occurred in the process thus far. We truly value our partnership, blah, blah, blah. And please be assured that our team actively working on finalizing the MOU. Thank you for your continued partnership and patience. We look forward to successful conclusion for MOU process. Exciting opportunities, our collaboration with KWA will bring. Regards, your name, title, me. So what you can do, you can copy and place it into your email if you want to reply to your friend regarding the email. Okay. So let's say if you are a student or researchers, okay, let's say you are you are researchers and you want to write a paper regarding power cell or photovoltaic solar cell. Okay, act as an expert. You ask the ChatGPT to be an expert in photo cell. Task is to write a paper regarding the latest invention. Latest invention in this research area. Give an outline for this task. Like an expert in photovoltaic solar cell, your task is to write a paper regarding latest invention in this area. give an outline for this task. Okay. The advancement in photovoltaic solar cell technology, a comprehensive review. Abstract. The abstract provide concise overview of the paper, highlighting the latest blah, blah, blah. Then you have introduction. You have the background. So you have the latest material and device innovation. Advanced cell architectures and design. Efficiency enhancement strategies. Durability, reliability, and longevity, manufacturing scalability, environmental impact and sustainability, market economic representative, future prospect, and also the reference. Okay. So if you if you don't have any ideas on doing your paper, doing your dissertation, or doing your PhD or master's thesis, you can ask the ChatGPT to give some rough idea what you want to ask. Okay. But please, you need to know how to command the ChatGPT itself. Okay. The first one is called the role. Act an expert in what? In an expert as a finance, banking area, an expert in RF and microwave engineers. Okay. And then give a task. What do you want a task? And then what do you want actually? Okay. So this is the rough idea if you want to use the ChatGPT. And also if let's say you want to continue from this research, yeah. Write 100 words in the abstract. Abstract. Words abstract about this research. Apa, walaupun you salah English in commenting, still dia boleh tahu what do you want. This paper present comprehensive overview of blah 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 blah. So you dah ada idea. You want to use this abstract. You can copy and paste it into your words for the draft. Okay. And then you can ask, give, let's say 250 words about this research. Blah, 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 blah. Laju dia buat. Okay. In a second, the ChatGPT itself can give the response about what do you want to ask. Let's say give 250 words about this research. They give you this kind of response. Okay. All right. Another thing you can use is the cloud AI. Okay, cloud AI is by Anthropics. So this cloud AI is free, and also you can add a file with a maximum 5 files with 10 megabyte for each, and it will accept all kind of file you can upload. Okay, and you can ask the cloud. For the first time, you can ask, let's say you want to ask about, we try to do the same in the previous using the ChatGPT. Act as a photo.
Syah,
Yo.
Syah, boleh
Ya.
ganggu kejap?
Boleh,
Dia
boleh,
pakai
silakan.
cloud ni, you kena pakai VPN.
Oh, tak payah, sebab Malaysia sekarang dah boleh guna cloud.
Oh, ya ke? Dia bukan hanya untuk limit untuk US dan UK?
Dulu, yes. Last weekend, dia dah start open.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay,
you boleh
thanks
guna.
for the info.
No
sorry
problem, of course.
to ask. Just I try to use it now. open
Yeah.
it, it's saying the same, that it is available for US and UK. Just use
Yeah,
it.
same with us.
Sorry to say that.
Oh, tak tahulah. Tapi I guna without any VPN itself sekarang ni. Maybe tak apa, kalau you ada VPN, if you have problem to use the cloud, you can use it using Opera. You using Opera or you download the VPN, free VPN, and then you can try using the cloud. Okay?
Dr. Azlisha.
Yes, saya. Ya.
Okay, saya ada satu cara to way work around benda ni. You
Okay.
can go to website called po.com. POE.com.
Okay.
Ya, kalau you go to po.com, po.com ni is a aggregator kan. Dia ada POE.com. So dia ada cloud, dia ada apa semua tu, dia ada dalam tu. Dia ada cloud,
Okay.
cloud, so ChatGPT, dia ada in one place. So you can from Malaysia.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
So,
Thank you, Prof.
So you can choose any of the engine that you want to use. Kan?
Yeah.
You want to use ChatGPT 4, you want to Claude 100K, Claude, different level version of Claude, and you can use it. You can upload files and so on. Kalau kita guna satu-satu, then you dapat satu interface sajalah. Tapi kalau you guna you can go to many interfaces, many engine at the same time.
Okay. So, Prof, thank you, Prof, for your suggestion. So regarding this kind of apps, okay, sebenarnya apps yang ada ni sebenarnya memang banyak. Dia bukan setakat Po aja, dia ada macam-macam apps lagi. Tapi kebanyakannya adalah dia base kepada ChatGPT 3.5. Dia tak akan guna 4. Sebab 4 version ni dia kena bayar. So once kena bayar, so Po ni pun akan dikata, okay, kalau you nak access ChatGPT 4, you kena bayar. Itu dia punya cara bisnes lah. Okay. There's a lot of AI tools yang I understand can use for this kind of things, but they using the API untuk create dia punya apps. Dia ambil API daripada ChatGPT 3.5 untuk digunakan dalam dia orang punya app sendiri. Itu yang terjadi lah. Okay. So tak apa, saya pergi kepada cloud ni dulu. Kalau yang mana boleh akses, okay. Yang tak boleh akses, you boleh try guna VPN. Sama juga, let's copy dia punya arahan. C .v. So you boleh lihat. Yang ini dia ada lembut sikit cara dia reply. Okay, here is the outline of the paper of the latest invention, so introduction, body. So dia lebih konstruktif, maknanya dia ada structure dia. Lagi cantik lah kalau menggunakan cloud. Okay. Lagi satu, as I mentioned before, cloud ni dia boleh maksimum hingga 75,000 words. Okay, dia memang boleh banyak lah. Okay, this is one. And then you can upload. Itu yang penting tu. You boleh upload. Let's say you upload, okay, yang ni, dataset. Okay, once you upload, you can ask. Give a summary for this dataset. Dia ada slow motion sikit sebab dia nak kena study dulu, kemudian baru dia keluarkan output dia. Okay. Apa sementara tu kita boleh guna ChatGPT. So let's say kalau you want to use ChatGPT 4, code interpreter. Yang ni pun bagus juga. Apa yang you boleh buat, you boleh upload katalah CSV file ni. Okay. Then ask give me a summary for this dataset. Slow motion ni. Okay, ini dia punya summary daripada yang tadi tu. Here is summary of key information of Mumbai local dataset. This dataset contains information on Mumbai suburban railway network, covers 3 major line, each station. In total there are 113 station, bla 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 bla. Okay, kalau kita lihat betul tak apa yang dicakap ni? Oh, very slow. Okay, minta maaf kadang slow sikit. Saya buka video lah. Kalau nak menggunakan ChatGPT version 4 Sekejap, saya share semula. Kalau ada soalan, just tanya je. Tak ada masalah pun. Okey, boleh nampak video? Kawan-kawan boleh nampak tak video ni?
Boleh.
Okey. So, kalau kita lihat ni adalah ChatGPT 4. Okey. Yang ni ChatGPT 3.5, GPT 4, kita ada code interpreter. So, menggunakan code interpreter ni yang paling bagus sekali dalam ChatGPT. Okey, dia upload file. Let's say kita ada file. Okey, kat sini kepada mereka yang menggunakan data second data as their reference, let's say macam some of PhD student or master student, they are using the secondary data untuk dia punya work. Okay, you can go for Kaggle ni. Kaggle bunyi dia saya pun tak pastilah kan. Kaggle. So you can get all the data set they have in here, such as Berlin district population, electrical vehicle, pasal music, pasal computer science, education, classification. So you can use this kind of data, is a free. They share. Okay, sesiapa yang ada data boleh share dalam ni. So all the people can use this kind of data. Okay, kepada siapa yang memerlukan secondary data, for those who you are using the secondary data as for your masters and PhD studies, you can use Kaggle. Okay, so kembali kepada yang ini. So apa dia buat adalah kita try download electric vehicle-nya data. Okay, ini adalah data dia. So once dah download, kita boleh pergi kepada ChatGPT untuk kita upload kita punya data. Okay. Okay, kita buat kita punya analisis. Explain to me what is this file. Apa yang dibuat adalah ChatGPT akan fahamkan dulu apa dia punya file ni, CSV. Kemudian dia menggunakan algoritma dia. Kalau you tengok nanti, dia ada show work tu, dia akan buat proses dia, dia akan tahu apa isi kandungan dalam tu. So kat sini dia ada beberapa isi kandungan. Okay. Code interpreter is the best for me lah setakat ni kalau nak guna.
Ni kena bayar ni.
Kena bayar lah. Ada juga kalau you rasa you tak mampu nak bayar $20 per month, for the student lah actually. You can use beli account daripada Shopee. But that one is a sharing account. So I bukanlah I kata I suggest, tapi if you don't have enough money, that kind of possibilities you can use lah. Okay. The second one, show me the graph that I can get from this data set. So you boleh dapat banyak graph daripada data set ni, based on code interpreter ni. So dia akan beritahu, okay, histogram untuk apa you boleh dapat, scattered plot apa yang you boleh dapat, geographic plots apa yang boleh dapat, line plots apa yang boleh dapat. Okay. You bayangkan you tak payah nak susah-susah buat analisis lah. You dah ada ChatGPT, gunakan ChatGPT untuk do the analysis. Okay, show me the graph for number 4, contoh. Apa dia buat, dia proses. Blah. Dia ada scattered plot illustration. Okay, so dia beritahu dah. This plot seems to most of the vehicle apa value it would beneficial to have more complaint. Okay, ini contoh satu. So you ask the ChatGPT to give you others graph based on your CSV file tadi. You punya Excel file. Okay, dia bagi tahu, okay, bar graph dia letak distribution electrical vehicle. Pie chart dia buat ni, proportion of electrical vehicle. Cuma saya punya suggestion kalau, okay macam ni saya punya suggestion kalau you nak guna paid version, you guna waktu pagi di Malaysia. Kalau you guna waktu malam di Malaysia, dia agak lambat sebab most of US punya orang dia akan guna ChatGPT pada waktu siang mereka. So waktu malam Malaysia lah. Sebab itu kita punya proses agak lambat lah. Okay, you boleh nampak automatically dia akan keluar graf lagi. So this kind of things memang menarik untuk you buat you punya analysis. Let's say you have a certain deadline. Contohnya you adalah SHO inspector, safe and healthy officer punya inspector. So you ada data banyak. You masukkan data you untuk proses, then you come up with this kind of graph. You can use it. Sama juga untuk pelajar-pelajar ataupun researchers that you have research, let's say background macam-macam kan, you boleh guna this kind of methods. Okay.
Boleh guna statistical tak? Macam ANOVA ke t-test ke?
Boleh bang. Saya sudah try bang.
Dr. Azizah,
Okay, thank you.
Ya saya.
ada question from the participant ni.
Boleh
From
silakan.
Nazirul dalam
Okay.
chatbot dia kata boleh keluarkan regression model from data. Regression model.
Regression model. Ni kena explore lah. Saya tak habis explore lagi ni.
Okay. Mungkin boleh.
Saya rasa insyaAllah boleh.
So,
Tapi you kena pastikan input dia betul lah untuk you dapatkan regression data. Kalau untuk yang SPSS punya proses, contoh macam you nak dapat ANOVA, T-test, M-test tu semua tu, dia still boleh guna. Saya dah cuba semalam lah untuk testing. So this one is what you can use for ChatGPT 4. Kalau you ada duit, you boleh subscribe, you boleh guna. Pada student, kalau you tak ada enough duit, maybe you can share with, let's say, 4 orang ke untuk $20 per month. Kemudian you can use it lah. Ataupun kalau you rasa you tak nak share dengan kawan, you beli daripada Shopee ke Lazada ke. Tapi bear in mind, still dia adalah sharing. So kalau you punya projek tu taklah sangat-sangat sekretif, so you boleh guna yang sharing ni lah. Kalau you rasa you punya projek is secretive, so I suggest you try to buy this ChatGPT 4 lah for your work. Okay, this is one. Okay, kita akan lihat some of others yang you boleh gunakan. Contoh ni, Xmind Copilot. Saya sharing, terus media. Okay. This one is apa nama dia yang bercabang-cabang. Awak tengok dulu macam mana dia buat. Okey. Saya nak bagi tahu bercabang-cabang ni apa nama dia semua lupa. Tree ke apa macam itulah.
Branch.
Branch, yes, branch. Sorry Okay, this is xmind.ai. So dia akan bagi some mind map branches yang you boleh gunakan. And also at the same time, let's say you want to do your writing on paper or what, you can use this kind of cara lah menggunakan Xmind ni. So dia dah beritahu apa introduction, working principle dan sebagainya. So you pun still boleh add another, let's say another branch you want. Ataupun kalau you tak suka, dia boleh bagi suggestion yang lain untuk branch ni. At the same time, you boleh generate dia punya perkataan. So kat sini dia generating. So dia boleh generate lah keseluruhan apa introduction pasal apa, overview of photovoltaic solar apa, pasal apa, current state of future prospect of solar. This kind of tools yang kita nak gunakan. Okay. Type of solar cell, semua dia memang dia boleh tulis semua sekali lah. Okay. Dia generating. Tapi base pada masa you lah. Kalau you buat masa siang, rasanya tak ada masalah sebab takkan ramai sangat daripada US yang menggunakan. Sebab itu kadang-kadang dia base kepada server dia di US. Kalau orang ramai tengah guna, memang akan slow lah. Sama macam ChatGPT. You boleh revise your mind map. So dia akan revise your punya mind map. Kalau you macam tak puas hati. So dia akan ubah. Sama juga, you boleh generate dia punya idea di sebelah kanan. Okay, this is one tools yang you boleh gunakan. xmind.ai. Kemudian kita ada illicit.org. Ini kepada siapa yang nak buat literature review. You can use this one to use for literature review. Share sekali lagi. Okay, illicit.org. Okay, so saya masukkan soalan, what is the latest research in EV car battery? So apa yang you boleh dapat kat sini? Dia akan keluarkan the whole paper title. Okay, you dapat abstract pun you boleh dapat kat tepi dia. illicit.org. Ni bagus untuk siapa yang nak buat literature review punya paper, siapa yang tengah buat master dan PhD punya review untuk dia punya projek sendirilah. Okay. Also, you boleh set untuk has a PDF. So, PDF semua you boleh check daripada tahun bila, daripada 2003 sampai 2019. So, dia akan keluarkan. Okay. Study paper jenis apa? Sama ada you nak review paper, systematic review, meta-analysis. Maknanya contoh meta-analysis ni adalah eksperimen-eksperimen yang dibuat. Okay, illicit.org. Boleh cuba. Banyak lagi tools. Okay, at the same time, let's say kalau siapa yang ni boleh letakkan intervention kat sebelah sini, outcome measure dan juga number participant. Selalunya number participant ni kepada mereka yang menggunakan untuk social science punya projek lah. Mana berapa banyak responden, berapa banyak eksperimen, orang yang datang membuat eksperimen ni. Itu ada contoh ni lah. Okay, this one is elicit.org. You can use it. Ada apa soalan, tanya je, jangan malu-malu.
Okay, Dr. Azisha.
Ya.
Okay, there are one question from the audience. Okay,
Alright.
from Naziro.
Okay.
Okay, he concerns about the data. Okay, when we upload the data to the ChatGPT, okay, dia tanya kat mana akan disimpan sebab dia bimbang adakah nanti bila kita turn it in, dia akan detect as plagiarism.
Okey, jawapannya tidak. Okey, apa yang AI ni buat adalah dia akan baca kita punya, the AI will learn about our data and then save into their brain. Maknanya contoh macam ChatGPT punya brain, dia akan save dalam brain ChatGPT lah. Okey. Kalau once dia settle dia punya brain tu, dia dah save dalam dia punya ni, bila kita try masukkan balik dalam, let's say turn it in ataupun kita punya apa nama, ialah sama macam turn it in lah. So dia takkan detect langsung sebab data tu telah pun disimpan di dalam brain pada ChatGPT. So dia takkan share benda ni. Okay, sebab itu takkan berlaku plagiarism di situ. Okay. The next, saya ada banyak video nak tunjuk ni. Connected papers. Yang ini pun sama juga pada mereka yang nak buat literature review. Maklumlah, literature review kan dia punya data banyak. Jadi kadang-kadang kita nak baca pun seriously memang malas membaca lah. So apa yang kita boleh buat adalah we can use this AI to help us. Okay, connected papers. So kat sini you boleh nampak belah kiri sekali adalah the whole paper yang ada. Yang belah kanan adalah connected papers daripada satu paper kepada beberapa paper yang lain. Okey, you boleh tengok mana yang berwarna gelap itu adalah citation yang tinggi. Ada yang sampai beribu-ribu, beratus-ratus. So you can use that kind of paper to review your punya kerja lah. You boleh tengok apa data yang dalam tu, okey? At the same time, you boleh simpan you punya data ni as CSV file, you boleh susun you punya data ataupun you boleh simpan terus dalam nak sebut tadi bibliographic text macam itulah. Okay. Ini adalah one of others kind you can use for your literature review, connected papers. You have directed work, prior work. You juga boleh download paper ni. You boleh nampak berapa author, year, citation ada berapa banyak. Daripada citation itu, paper dalam ni ada berapa banyak graf dalam tu. Semua ada dalam menggunakan connected papers ni. Okay. So next, selain itu, kita ada juga basic atau paper lead map. Okay, contoh lead map ni sekejap. Dia ke media player. Alright. So untuk lead map pun sama juga kaedah dia. Dia lebih kurang macam connected papers. Okay. You boleh nampak apa yang kita nak. So dia macam connected papers. So dia boleh tahu. Okay, papers ni dia punya reference dia apa. Okay, daripada reference ni berapa banyak citation dia. Kita boleh nampak cite by years. Years kalau sini dia tulis lah. Maknanya tahun 2020 ni paling banyak orang cite. 2020 is the most people cite these papers. Okay, so kita boleh klik, kita boleh tahu, okay, paper berkenaan dengan apa. At the same time, you boleh tahu juga how many reference, how many cited. You boleh tengok dalam PDF version untuk paper tersebut. Okay. Dan dia ada satu lagi nama dia Discover. Yang ini pun you boleh nampak the whole connected papers lah. Maknanya contoh macam ni, dia connect pada berapa paper yang ni. Yang ni connect pada paper ni. Based kepada topik yang you search tersebut. Okay. You can expand. And also you can save. Okay. You can save you punya artikel-artikel ni. Reference, cited. Semua dalam bentuk export ke dalam CSV ataupun apa nama ni? Biblic text. Macam itulah, lebih kurang nak sebut pun tak adalah reti sangat. Okay. Bib text. So you boleh save dalam you punya bib text. Okay, ni nama dia lead maps. Selain lead maps, kita ada juga research rabbit nama dia. Research rabbit. Okay. Selalunya researchers ni dia suka nak buat literature review sebab citation akan jadi tinggi dan orang akan set paper kita beratus-ratus kali ganda, beribu-ribu kali ganda. Kalau betul dengan caranya lah. Okay, this one is research rabbit. Lebih kurang macam connected papers dan juga lead maps. Pun sama juga, dia boleh add your paper. You boleh dapat you punya paper, kemudian you boleh tengok apa connecting paper yang you ada. Okay, contohnya macam ni, photovoltaic solar cell. So contoh, okay, you masukkan let's say 2 atau 3 paper, add. So you boleh nampak lagi. Okay, you boleh nampak similar works, bermaksud beberapa lagi paper yang you boleh citekan dalam you punya literature review. So you boleh nampak you punya graph kat sini. So there's a lot. Okay, this kind of author suggest, dia boleh suggest authors yang berkaitan dengan research tersebut. Okay, so you boleh nampak At the same time, you also can add all these papers into your references as a bibliometric, okay, or CSV file. BibTeX dan juga CSV. Okay, next. Ada apa soalan? Saya pakai jalan je ni. Okay, kalau let's say you dah buat you punya paper, you boleh test untuk review your punya paper. Okay, ini adalah dia punya salah satu tools yang you boleh gunakan, AI reviewers. Sebelum you send into publishing ataupun publisher, you boleh try untuk check AI ni reviewkan you punya paper. Okay, you upload you punya paper. Lepas tu apa target journal yang you nak. Contohnya macam ni ASEAN Engineering Journal. You nakkan recommendation journal lain tak pun boleh juga. Okay, ni adalah recommendation yang dia boleh bagi. Lepas tu dia akan buat review proses. Sama juga based kepada masa, dia akan currently proses untuk checking. Dan bila dah siap, dia boleh tahu, okay, ni adalah title dia. Dia boleh suggest title-title apa yang sesuai dengan you punya paper tu. Okay, abstract dia pun dia boleh suggest dan juga boleh suggest keywords apa yang penting. Dan in term of novelty pun dia boleh bagi contoh-contoh ataupun novelty yang berkaitan. Okay. At the same time, dia boleh tahu dia punya similarity dengan paper ataupun research yang sebelum ni. Contohnya ni macam similarity punya project lebih kurang 78%. Okay. Lama dia nak review tu. Okay, dan barulah dia dapat dia punya review dia kat sini. Dia dah tulis. The paper has several strength, bla 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 bla. Okay, cons dia. The weakness of this paper is not provide any comparison between the Vivaldi antenna. So you boleh use this kind of review to improve your paper before you submit into your journal ataupun your conference paper. Depends on you lah. Okay, this is AI reviewer. Kemudian kita try pergi ke chat PDF. Ini pun satu juga benda yang bagus untuk digunakan. Okay. So dalam chat PDF ni is a free version, maximum sehingga 5 PDF saja yang dia boleh buat. Sebab chat PDF ni dia adalah base kepada you punya IP address. Contohnya you buat kerja di universiti ke, di tempat kerja you, maksimum 5 chat PDF je you boleh buat. Okay. Lepas tu you rasa you nak buat lagi menggunakan chat PDF, you pergi ke tempat lain, mungkin pergi ke Starbucks ke, KFC ke, McD ke, 5 lagi PDF. Dia base kepada you punya IP address. Okay. So kat sini you masukkan PDF, you boleh tanya macam-macam. Okay, contohnya what is the frequency range of proposed horn antenna, how does the technology help produce cost for the antenna. So yang ni dia boleh suggest juga soalan-soalan dia dan you boleh tanya dia pada chat PDF. Okay. Ini pun salah satu proses kalau you nak buat literature review lah. Okay. You boleh juga ask to summarize this paper. So dia akan buat summarize about this paper. What's the latest references? So you boleh check juga apa references yang digunakan dalam PDF tersebut. Okay. Satu. Ada apa soalan lain?
Setakat ni tak ada soalan. Okay, if you for all the participant, if you want to ask, you can ask directly, or if you can write down in the meeting chat box.
Okay, next is Gamma AI. Kepada mereka yang bukan student pun boleh guna untuk Gamma AI ni untuk buat presentation. Let's say macam you ada benda nak kena present. You nak kena buat PowerPoint. So you just guna sama ada TOME, TOME apps ataupun Gamma. Sebab saya suka menggunakan Gamma ni sebab dia punya background dan dia punya ni lagi cantik lah. Presentation dia lagi cantik berbanding dengan TOME lah. Cuma TOME ni kelebihan dia.
Dr. Aziza, sorry to interrupt. There's a question about the related from Fitri, lost dekat AI reviewer once again, please.
Apa dia? Lost?
Dia kata dia pada AI reviewer yang topik sebelum ni.
Okay.
So dia minta ulang sikit lah.
Ulang sikit, okay.
Ya.
Saya share semula boleh. Ya Fitri.
Okay, Dr. Karinsa pun tanya benda sama juga. AI reviewer, please.
AI reviewer. Okay, sekali lagi.
Ramai yang berminat dengan AI reviewer.
Dah, sebelum you nak submit paper, you boleh suruh AI ni untuk reviewkan you punya paper dululah. Sebelum you punya paper kena bantai dengan orang lain kan. Okay, so this is AI reviewer. Sekali lagi, saya akan cerita. AI reviewer ni adalah AI tools yang review you punya paper dan bagi some of suggestion kalau you punya paper tak bagus ke apa. Okay. Apa yang boleh you nampak, AI reviewer, you search je, dia akan keluar. Kemudian you upload you punya paper, kemudian you boleh letak targeted journal yang you nak. Contohnya macam saya ni, targeted journal adalah ASEAN Engineering Journal. Kemudian apa journal-journal recommendation dia pun boleh recommend jurnal-jurnal apa yang sesuai dengan you punya topik. So ni adalah dia punya recommendation lah. Dia ada 3 lecture note dan sebagainya. Kemudian dia akan proses you punya review tu, dia akan proses. Cuma yang ni proses dia agak lambat sebab saya buat waktu malam. Bila waktu malam mungkin internet slow disebabkan heavy user daripada US. Tapi at the same time benda-benda lain dia dah bagi suggestion. Okay, suggested title lah dia boleh bagi. Investigating and Constructing 3.5, Investigating dan bla bla bla. Abstract pun dia boleh suggest kat you. Once you masukkan you punya paper, let's say dia boleh suggest abstract apa yang lagi bagus. And also keywords. Lepas tu at the same time dia boleh tahu novelty punya apa novelty dalam you punya paper ni, dia boleh suggest apa research question. Okay. Kemudian at the same time dia boleh tahu similarity. Adakah you punya project ni ada similar tak dengan orang lain? Yes, ada similarity. Ini 78% similar dengan project orang ni. Okay. Lepas tu bila dia dah dapat review, bila dia dah proses, okay, kat sini you boleh nampak dia boleh bagi pro and cons pada you punya paper. Dia boleh review lah. This paper has several strength, firstly, bla 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 bla, thirdly, fourthly, dia dah bagi. Ini adalah you punya strength component dalam you punya paper. Another things, they can, sorry, boleh nampak ke?
Boleh.
Okay. The other things, they can bagi apa dia punya contradiction yang ada pada you punya paper. Apa yang kontranya banding dengan paper orang lain. So, the weakness in the paper does not provide apa, bla 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 bla. Furthermore, the paper does not include any particle experiment, bla bla bla, measurement. Semua ni, semua dia dah boleh bagi cadangan untuk supaya paper you lebih baik sebelum you submit kepada jurnal-jurnal. Okay, so you boleh menggunakan AI reviewer ni. Dia sangat bagus. And the best thing is sementara ni adalah free. I tak tahulah, mungkin in the future dia ada limitkan 5 paper per day ke, 5 paper per week ke. Okay. Sebab ada certain AI tools dia akan limitkan penggunaan lah. Once you bayar, you boleh guna unlimited. Kalau you nak free, you kena maximum let's say 5 saja. 5 paper saja you boleh buat AI review ataupun 10 paper saja you buat AI review. Okay. Let's say kalau you ada paper untuk review pun you boleh test kat sini, okey ke tak? Contohnya you ada let's say daripada jurnal mana-mana, hantar you paper untuk review, you try masukkan AI review ni. Lepas tu you check betul ke tidak. Apa-apa hal pun data yang daripada AI, from the AI, you need to check and recheck again. Sebab kadang-kadang ada yang tak betul. Ada hallucination, yang seperti yang saya katakan tadi lah. Okay, this is AI reviewer. Okay, Nisa dengan Fitri, okay, clear tak benda ni?
Clear. Mantap.
Alright. Okay, next tadi apa ya? Saya pun dah lupa dah. Gamma tadi Okay. Okay, gamma ni adalah
From Dr. Norehan. Dia kata boleh explain semula tak berkaitan dengan chat GPT PDF?
Chat GPT PDF. Chat PDF.
Ya kan.
Chat
PDF.
Chat PDF lah. Okay, saya explain yang ni dulu. Lepas tu saya explain yang chat PDF semula. Okay, yang ini adalah Gamma Apps. Gamma Apps ni adalah more kepada presentation. Let's say kalau you have been asked to present something guna PowerPoint, tak kira lah sama ada you student ke, you sales engineer ke, you marketing ke, finance ke, boss ke, you boleh guna this kind of tool. So you boleh klik pada Gamma Apps. Okay, you boleh tanya you nak apa, presentation, document, web page. So this in this case kita nak guna untuk presentation. So kita type contoh presentation yang kena sekarang ni adalah saya kena buat pasal 5G bowtie antena. Ni contoh dalam bidang lah. Mungkin you boleh minta apa-apa pun yang lain lah. So dia akan bagi suggestion. Kat sini you boleh nampak dia akan bagi suggestion subtopik yang dia akan present, yang you boleh presentkan dalam you punya presentation dalam PowerPoint dan sebagainya lah. You ada introduction, overview dan sebagainya. since saya menggunakan free version, dia ada limit. Okay, sehingga 40 credits. 40 credits ni bergantung pada berapa banyak you punya wording untuk you punya topik ni. Okay. So bila you continue, so you boleh pilih you punya themes nak apa. Okay, nak bagi biru ke, gelap ke, cerah ke, warna-warni ke, pelangi ke dan sebagainya. You can use it. Okay. Once you dah choose your punya themes, dia akan proses lah. So you relax, you punya presentation slide pun siap.
Yang ni free ke doktor?
Free lah doktor. Prof, sorry.
Dia tengok
Saya punya AI tools tu 90% adalah free supaya student boleh guna. Student tak perlu keluar duit untuk gunakan ni.
Tak, bila saya tengok benda ni dulu ni, dia
Ya.
tulis itu dia ada kredit kan? Dia ada,
Betul.
jadi banyak mana kita boleh guna, katakan saya bila tengok dulu saya pernah tengoklah benda ni, tapi bila dia ada kredit tu takut satu kita nak buat tu berapa banyak, katakan satu slide tu berapa kredit.
Saya dah cuba banyak kali. Maksimum 5 tajuk kalau tidak silap saya untuk 1 atau 2 minggu. Selepas 2 minggu, you boleh kredit tu ada balik semula.
Oh, maksudnya dia 400 kredit tu dia bagi untuk 2 minggu.
Macam itulah lebih kurang.
Jadi dalam dia punya usage tu macam mana? Dia punya maksudnya
Usage tu bergantung kepada perkataan yang dia cadangkan. Contoh macam ni kan, perkataan dia punya tajuk 5G bow tie antenna with deflected ground structure ni, ada kira base kepada yang tu. Kalau Prof tambah lagi dia punya tajuk dia tu, so dia akan generate base kepada, dia akan ambil kredit tu daripada ni lah, tajuk tersebut. Tajuk bagi subtopik tu.
Suppose that kita ada paper kan, kita dah siap paper.
Okay.
And then you nak pergi conference kan.
Betul.
So from this paper ni kita boleh upload tak? Upload paper tu dan dia suruh dia create.
Yang itu sebenarnya saya tengah cari lagi tu tapi tak jumpa.
Jadi yang ni dia create based on
AI.
AI dia generate daripada AI, daripada somewhere lah, bukan kita punya paper kan.
Bukan, tapi apa yang boleh buat Prof, bila Prof dah export dalam PowerPoint ni, so Prof boleh masukkan Prof punya point-point dalam you punya slide tu lah. Maknanya the basic idea is there, so you can use you punya daripada paper tu untuk masuk dalam PowerPoint tu lah.
Dah maksudnya kita boleh tambah PowerPoint yang dia bagi ni lah.
Ya, betul.
So kita download PowerPoint ni and then tambah kita punya slide own slides.
Yes.
Alright. Right, thank you. Bukan apa, tengok benda-benda tu bila kita duk mencari tools untuk nak permudahkan kita nak mengajar kan. Jadi kita pun bila nak bayar ni dialah.
Selagi free kita gunakan.
Doktor tolong ajar macam mana nak download.
Ya.
Nak download slide tu.
Boleh download tadi?
Saya terlepas, sorry.
Ni. So you boleh export your PowerPoint.
Okay. Terima kasih.
Apa yang saya share ni adalah kebanyakan adalah free tools. So you boleh gunakan as much as you want lah. Okay, ini adalah gamma apps. Yang tadi soalan tadi bertanyakan pasal chat PDF kan. Okay, chat PDF. Yang ni saya kembali pada chat PDF. Selain chat PDF dia ada juga macam nanti saya tunjukkan jugalah. As I mentioned before, untuk chat PDF ni, you boleh upload you punya PDF maksimum 5 PDF dalam satu location. Bermaksud kalau you berada di office, Dia base kepada IP address sebab saya dah try benda ni lah. Dia base pada IP address. So you duduk kat situ, you buat, so you upload 5, lepas tu you tanya nak buat summarize untuk you punya literature review. Okay, dah 5 paper habis. Let's say you ada lagi 5 paper you nak buat. Apa you boleh buat adalah you pergilah ke tempat lain sebab dia base pada IP address. Mungkin you boleh pergi ke McD ke, Starbucks ke, KFC ke, Mamak ke yang ada wifi. You boleh upload lagi 5, you boleh tanya lagi. Itu yang saya buat lah.
So
Okay,
Dr. Azizah,
untuk chat PDF.
so
Ya.
means untuk chat PDF ni dia lebih kepada kita nak buat summarize on the paper yang kita review tu lah. Macam tu.
Yes, betul. Kita nak
Kita
summarize
rasa-
ataupun kita nak tanya apa teknik, method yang digunakan dalam paper tersebut pun boleh juga, Kak.
Doktor, saya
Ya.
rasa mungkin kampus teknologi dengan main campus pun IP address dia lain-lain, boleh cuba juga.
Ya, betul. Kita kampus pintar, memang kena pintar selalu.
Dan mungkin tiap-tiap fakulti pun IP address dia lain, boleh cuba juga.
Yes, betul. Tapi kalau you dah berbayar untuk ChatGPT, dia ada plug-in chat PDF juga. Yang tu unlimited lah kalau you nak gunakan. Okay. Tapi you janganlah bergantung pada chat PDF saja. Dia ada macam-macam tools yang lain yang sama untuk read this PDF. This kind of things lah. Contoh saya bagi yang lain. Nama dia Humata. Saya share sekali lagi. Back in mind, ni just bukan untuk student ataupun lecturer saja. You, siapa yang contohnya you are, let's say you lawyer ke, ataupun you company besar ke, ataupun finance ke, HR ke, let's say kalau you ada dokumen yang you nak tanya. Kalau you dapat daripada, let's say daripada client, let's say pasal agreement. Mungkin agreement tu panjang, mungkin ada 100 pages. You boleh try upload dalam AI tools dan you boleh tanya berkenaan apa-apa agreement yang you nak tanya lah. So ini memudahkan kerja untuk increase your productivity. At the same time you boleh buat kerja lain. So you tak payahlah perlu nak baca sampai 100 pages of law punya terms dalam agreement untuk you fahamkan. Okay. Ini adalah salah satu contoh selain pada chat PDF, you boleh gunakan Humata AI ni. Pun sama juga, dia boleh upload. Yes.
Sorry to disturb, Dr. Azizah.
Yep.
Before we proceed to Humata, ada satu question sebab takut tertinggal jauh from Haris. Dia tanya, is the slide in PowerPoint format? Can it be edited?
Yang slide mana tadi? Oh, yang gambar apps tu
Saya rasa lah.
Betul.
Boleh.
Mungkin
boleh
Haris.
sebab saya buat pun base pada gambar app. So jangan risau. Okay, saya sambung balik pada pasal Humata. So Humata ni kalau you tengok, you boleh upload the file. Okay, kemudian you can ask. Bila you dah upload, dia terus automatic dia akan bagi summary pasal paper ni. The article discuss about bla 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 bla. Okay. What is the main findings of dia boleh bagi suggestion pula. So you just klik kat tepi ni, you boleh tahu apa jawapan dia. Okay, kadang-kadang kalau you nak ambil review paper kan, terlampau banyak pages. So you boleh letakkan dalam ni, you boleh tanya, okay, apa method, berapa correspondent yang digunakan. Lepas tu apa summary of this project, this paper is about. So menggunakan Humata ni pun you boleh gunakan dan setakat ni Humata ni free. Saya tak tahu lah bila masa nanti dia akan increase, so berbayar tak pasti, tapi buat masa ni adalah free lah. Okay, you boleh tanya macam-macam. Lepas tu base kepada table-table pun dia boleh tahu apa discussion, apa method yang digunakan. So apa lagi yang menarik tentang paper tersebut. So you boleh tanya apa macam-macam. What is the latest references yang digunakan dalam paper tersebut. So, this one is Humata. Kemudian kita ada Teknikal. share Teknikal. Teknikal ni pun menarik juga. Share. Okay. So dalam Teknikal, dia pun boleh menjadi macam chat PDF jugalah. Dia boleh buat citation check, plagiarism check dan sebagainya lah. Okay. So, bila you submit, kat sini dia ada score dia. Berapa citation dia yang okey, berapa citation yang tak okey. Kat sini dia akan bagi suggestion. Based kepada you punya result paper tadi, dia boleh tahu okey yang hijau ni adalah bagus punya citation. Yang kuning ni agak poor citation. Yang warna merah ni citation tak berapa bagus. So apa dia punya list of citation pun dia boleh klik kat situ, you boleh tahu. Okay, menggunakan Teknikal ni. Citation checker report. So once let's say macam student wants to publish paper, so you boleh check you punya citation dalam ni. Okay, sesuai tak dengan paper ni? Adakah dia standard ke ataupun ada medium risk ke ataupun bagus punya citation yang digunakan. Okay, this one is good tools lah to check the citation. Okay. Lagi mana proteksi? Ada apa-apa soalan lain?
Teknikal
So far tak ada soalan.
Teknikal ni
Ya.
Doktor, Teknikal ni dia grammar checker juga kan?
Grammar checker, citation tracker.
Maksudnya kita boleh guna at the same time also the citation the same apa ni piece. I thought that I have the wrong punya site trinka.ai.
Satu
Okay.
Satu lagi adalah size space. Yang ni pun menarik juga. Saya share. Size space. Okay. Dalam size space ni dia ada banyak yang dia boleh gunakan lah. Contohnya kalau you upload your PDF. Okay. Lepas tu dia boleh ataupun dia boleh search paper mana yang bersesuaian. Contoh macam saya search bow tie antenna at 3.5G. So dia akan bagi the list of papers yang berkaitan. Dia sama juga macam lead map, rabbit search dan juga connected papers. Okay. Cuma yang bagusnya kat sini dia boleh ada co-pilot. Let's say kalau you download satu paper tu, you boleh tanya macam-macam. Okay, contoh you dah klik kat sini multi-band ni. So kat sini co-pilot ni, you boleh tanya explain the abstract of this paper in 2 lines. So dia akan beritahu. Okay. Yeah. So at the same time, bila you highlight this area untuk you explain ataupun summarize pun boleh juga. So Copilot ni akan bantu untuk you fahamkan. Okay. Dan satu lagi, kalau you let's say you nak fahamkan apa graph ataupun pictures daripada ni, so you highlightkan graph ataupun pictures, dia akan bagi explanation. This is size space punya tools yang you boleh guna lah, especially for literature review.
Okay, mungkin saya boleh share sikit lah. Sorry Dr. Azizah ya.
Boleh.
Apa ni pengalaman saya dengan size space ni. What I like most, kadang-kadang kita baca macam papers ni, dia ada all these equation, complex equation, semua ni kan.
Ya, betul.
So we just highlight that and then it will explain in a plain, easy to understand lah.
Yes, betul.
Tak berbelit
Sebab
juga.
let's say dia banyak equation kadang kita tak faham. So kita highlight the equation, then they will explain to us apa yang berkenaan dengan equation tersebut.
the same as apa ni code algorithm apa semua ni kan. You select the code and then it will explain.
Yep, betul. Okay, this is a size space. Okay, sama juga dia boleh buat AI detector, sebab kat tepi ni you boleh nampak lah. Kalau let's say you masukkan paper you, katalah student you buat, you boleh check, okay, yang ini nearly AI yang digunakan adalah 33%. So yang lain semua adalah human. So okay lah. So you boleh juga paraphrasing, citation generator pun boleh juga. Okay, itu yang menggunakan size space. Ya, apa dia? Maaf Tuan Razali, tak berapa clear Tuan soalan. Boleh dekatkan dengan mic ke? Ini salah satu kelebihan size space, dia ada boleh rephrase you punya ayat lah, in term of academic ke, fluent ke, formal ke. Dia sama macam Quillbot, Grammarly. Ni adalah dia punya contoh-contoh yang dia boleh gunakan. Ini menggunakan size space. Okay. So saya rasa ini sahaja yang saya dapat share. Kalau ada soalan-soalan boleh tanya. If you have any question, you can ask. Salam boleh tunjuk macam mana size place explain equation.
Dr. Azlisha.
Ya, saya.
Saya nak share apa ni presentation ni dengan my student ni, macam mana boleh dapat recording dia ke macam mana?
Yang ni. Dr. Syukur macam mana? Dr. Syukur.
Okay, sorry, saya punya kamera ni kejap okey, kejap tak okey. So, minta maaf lah. Mungkin tak nampak muka saya. Suara saya boleh dengar? Boleh dengar suara saya?
Boleh.
Okay, we will share the content of the part of the content of this recording on the YouTube. I will give you the link. Okay, we plan to put it on SETRI YouTube and our research group YouTube, wireless broadband. Okay, I'll give you the link. So please subscribe it first. Okay. Okay, thanks.
Okay,
So
soalan daripada siapa ni? Haris. Just gunakan macam dalam apa nama? Ya, saya share semula. Dalam size space ni, you highlight pada graph ke ataupun equation, so you paste balik dalam Copilot, so dia akan keluarkan explanation lah. So lagi mudah macam tu. Okay, sama je, sama ada ambil graph ataupun ambil equation. Okay, itu satu soalan. Kemudian soalan tadi apa tu paper yang kita upload, size space akan open to public ke tidak? Sebab once kita masukkan dalam size space, macam juga ChatGPT, dia hanya simpan dalam dia punya database sahaja. Dia takkan open to public. Kalau kita masukkan balik dalam Teknikal, takkan ada you punya apa nama similarity tu tak ada. Sebabnya dia adalah simpan untuk dia punya AI punya proses untuk learn this process lah. Apa yang kita masukkan dalam AI tools ni sebenarnya adalah kegunaan untuk mereka learn balik semula AI tools ni, dan dia akan perbaiki lagi in term of software dia, dan juga in term of let's say GUI dia, supaya lagi mudah users untuk menggunakan in the future lah. Okay. Ada apa lain soalan?
Assalamualaikum.
Salam lah.
Saya nak tanya.
Ya.
Ni contohlah macam kalau kita ada laporan pelajar FYP ke apa kan.
Betul.
Ada panel projek. Jadi
betul.
Kita akan laporan tu kepada manuskrip jurnal. Ada tak tools yang kita boleh convert daripada report tu terus ke format jurnal?
Okay, daripada FYP kepada jurnal .
Selalu
Okey,
kita buat
sebenarnya
manual kan. Mungkin kita boleh gunakan tools LI ni untuk dapatkan dalam bentuk manuskrip jurnal.
kalau jumpa boleh share dengan saya bang. Saya pun tengah cari juga. Sebab sebenarnya saya pun mencari juga benda macam tu. Maknanya daripada satu thesis ke ataupun daripada masters untuk kita convert terus automatically kepada jurnal. So at the moment tak ada lagi yang saya jumpa lah. Saya pun dah search memang lama dah. Kita memang kena ada
Saya dah cuba juga tapi kena buat secara manual copy paste lah guna ChatGPT yang biasa tu.
Betul. Memang dia kena manual sikit lah. Dia ada leceh sikit lah. Cuma baru-baru ni saya ada jumpa tools untuk memudahkan academician dan juga teachers lah untuk menanda. Tapi saya tak boleh nak share sebabnya yelah, bila kita menanda kita ada human punya emosi. Bermakna kadang-kadang kita kesian dengan student ni. Kalau menggunakan tools AI ni, bila kita upload student punya, lepas tu kita upload kita punya answer scheme, dia akan terus automatically tengok, kalau tak sama terus bagi kosong. Ini yang saya jumpalah AI tools yang untuk kita menanda skrip final ke, test ke. Itu yang saya jumpalah. Tapi saya tak nak share. Because of kalau kita share nanti kan jadi macam kesian kepada pelajar lah. Benda ni akan efek kepada mereka punya emotion lah. Sebab bila dapat dia saya punya ayat lebih kurang je dengan kawan saya, tapi kenapa saya tak dapat ni, kawan saya terus dapat ni. Ini masalah kalau menggunakan AI. Ada kelemahan je lah sebab AI ni tak ada emosi. Dia sama ada 1 or 0. Ada soalan lain?
Okey, Dr. Azizah, ada satu soalan dari Dr. Khairul Anwar.
Okey,
dia kata, amongst tools AI yang ada, which one paling efficient yang boleh bantu suggestkan jurnal mana yang sesuai untuk draft paper kita? Dia nak tanya yang within
saya rasa setakat yang saya guna, kita boleh gunakan AI reviewer tu lah. Dia yang boleh suggest kita punya jurnal mana yang sesuai based kepada kita punya paper dan juga topik. Dan dia boleh suggest juga several journal yang rasa sesuai dengan paper kita. Tapi at the same time kita kena tengok juga tahap kita punya isi kandungan paper kita tersebut lah. Sebab kadang-kadang kalau kita tengok impact factor dia terlampau tinggi, so kita kena faham yang mana kita punya kandungan dalam jurnal tersebut mesti yang betul-betul powerful lah, lebih banyak experimental, lebih banyak results dia dan sebagainya lah. So kalau tak silap saya nanti akan ada satu sesi penulisan jurnal menggunakan AI di bawah group research microwave research group dan juga WiBNet kalau tak silap saya lah. Dan sedang dalam proses, maybe kalau sesiapa yang minat boleh join lah. Akan dibuat dalam masa bulan 9 atau bulan 10 macam tu.
Okay, we open maybe 2 more questions. Ada soalan? Tak ada? Okay, kalau tak ada, I think maybe setakat ni saja. Alright, so yeah.
Wiki dekat sini. I think ada ramai staff, I think outsider dalam dalam group ni. So maybe kita boleh highlight sikit lah. So probably they can like our secretary punya page because kita going to share this video dekat sana kan?
Yeah. I already given in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay. If you can check in the chat box. Alright. I share the YouTube link of the secretary and our group WiBNet, and also our Facebook wireless broadband networking group.
Okay, Dr. Syukur, saya before that, saya akan sharekan juga saya punya slide di mana dalam slide ni saya ada several prompting yang sesuai untuk kita buat macam menulis jurnal lah. So kita ada macam mana academic research writing, kemudian kita ada academic title, macam mana kita nak cari academic title yang sesuai untuk kita punya paper. Ini adalah promptingnya, develop 5 potential titles, suggest 5 title. Kemudian kita ada outline, macam mana kita dapatkan outline, introduction, literature review, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, summary, dan future work dan juga references. Yang ini adalah prompting yang sesuai untuk digunakan untuk membuat paper lah. Jadi saya akan share juga benda ni semua dalam slide saya. Dan juga kita ada juga yang ni adalah tools yang ada yang kita boleh gunakan. Kita ada create image to AI menggunakan image, lepas tu durable website kalau nak buat website ke, facility, lepas tu create logo, chat with PDF, AI meeting summarize, tu semua saya bagi list of tools yang boleh digunakan lah, mana yang sesuai lah. Okay. Kalau tak ada apa-apa soalan, saya ucapkan terima kasih banyak-banyak kepada organizer. Kalau ada apa-apa soalan, boleh kontak saya melalui email azrisha@utem.edu.my ataupun directly boleh WhatsApp saya 0137305255. Kalau boleh, kalau nak WhatsApp tu ataupun nak email, perkenalkanlah diri dulu. Salam Syah, saya daripada mana-mana-mana. Nak bertanya mana ni, tiba-tiba Syah boleh tak nak buat macam ni, nak guna apa? Kalau saya kenal okeylah, kalau saya tak kenal tiba-tiba tak sesuai lah kan. Jadi please kena ada sopan santun sikit lah, sopan santun, tata susila, kita kan orang Malaysia. Okay, terima kasih banyak-banyak kepada semua dan juga organizer. Apa-apa salah saya silap datang daripada saya, yang baik tu datang daripada Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. Terima kasih banyak-banyak kepada semua yang dapat hadir.
Thanks a lot.
Kepada Dr. Syukur.
Thanks a lot to our speakers, Dr. Muhammad Aziz Shah, for sharing the usage of AI to boosting for the writing. Alright, I believe we all get very much information, alright, today, and Dr. Aziz Shah, I share a dozen of link of the AI that can help us boosting our writing. So don't forget, we have another series of WiBNet talk series this afternoon at 3 o'clock. Okay, will be delivered by our friend from Universitas Indonesia, Universitas Prima Indonesia, Pak Yoga Tri Nagoha. The title will be Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, Electrical, Robotic, and Biomedical Application. Okay, Pak Yoga will share their from their side experience, in the AI from Universitas Prima Indonesia. Right, so if you have anything, maybe if in the future, maybe you some of you would like to invite Dr. Aziz Shah, you can straight away email to Dr. Aziz Shah. I already put Dr. Aziz Shah email in this meeting chat. Okay, and the video. Okay, many of you asked about the video, the recording video for today's. Okay, we will put it on the our YouTube channel, WiBNet, and our YouTube channel, C3. All right, I will put it again in here. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, wrong. Okay. This one for the WiBNet, and this one will be from the C3. It is C3. Wait, I will put C3. Okay, for this afternoon, we have another series of webinar talks series, the second one. So I give you the link. Okay, so don't forget to join at 3 o'clock. Okay, thank you everybody. Okay, thanks all for joining this session.
Syukur, Dr. Syukur.
Ya, ya.
Boleh forwardkan link attendance tak?
Oh, dah letak tadi ke atas. Sekejap kena cek balik.
Saya klik dia tak pergi ke office form tu lah.
Dia tak pergi Sekejap Okay, sebentar.
Okay.
Okay, cuba Prof Bat, cuba isi semula, boleh? Boleh, Prof Bat? Boleh masuk?
Tak boleh, dia minimizekan saya punya link ni. Dia tak tahu kenapa.
Saya klik OK, boleh masuk?
Boleh.
Boleh. Saya klik, tak apa, nanti kami share semula di grup WhatsApp lah.
Okay. Terima kasih.
Okay. Okay, so thank you all. Okay.
Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum.